Article 14. Aggravating circumstances. The following are aggravating circumstances. Number 1. Take advantage be taken by the offender of his public position. Number 2. That the crime be committed in contempt or with insult the public authorities. Number 3. That the act be committed with insult or in disregard of disrespect due to offended party or account of his rank, age, sex, or that be committed in the dwelling of the offended party of the latter has not given provocation. Number 4. That the act be committed with abuse of confidence or abuse ungratefulness. Number 5. That the crime be committed in the palace of the chief executive or in his presence or where public authorities are engaged in the discharge of this duty or in the palace dedicated religious worship. Number 6. That the crime be committed in the night time or uninhabited place or place banned whenever such circumstances may facilitate the commission of the offense. Whenever more than 3 armed malefactors shall have act together in the commission of an offense which shall be deemed to have been committed by a band. That the crime be committed in the occasion, conflagration, shipwreck, earthquake, epidemic, or other calamity or misfortune. Number 8. That the crime be committed in the aid of armed men or person in or ensure or afford impunity. Number 9. That the accused be a recidivist. A recidivist is one of who in the time of his trial of one crime shall have been previously convicted final judgment of another crime in embrace of the same title of this code. Number 10. That the offender has been previously punished by an offense to which the law attach an equal or greater penalty or more to or more crimes to which each attach of a lighter penalty. Number 11. That the crime be committed in consideration of a prize, reward, or promise. Number 12. That the crime be committed by means of an addition, fire, possession, explosion, or stranding of a vessel or international damage thereto. The derailment of locomotive by the use of another device involving of the place and ruin. Number 13. That the act be committed remediation. Number 14. That the craft, fraud, or disguise be employed. Number 15. That the advantage be taken of superior strength or means employed of the defense. 16. That the act be committed with treachery, aleviosa. There is treachery when the offender commits any of the crimes against the person employing means, methods, or forms execution thereof which tend directly, especially to ensure or execution without dress of himself arising of a that the offended party might. Number 17.